Nigeria's former Women Affairs Minister Inyom Josephine Anene says women are pivotal to restoring peace in the Southeast region in particular and the country at large. Inyom Anene stated this ahead of the 2023 annual conference of Nkata Inyom, slated for 24th and 25th October in Enugu and Ebonyi states, respectively, and with the theme, Women, Unifying Force in Peace Building. Correspondent Ejike Abana has details.
Former Minister, the conference will examine the subject matter and center discussions on the roles women can play to ensure that peace returns to the country, with the sole aim of starting the process of healing the country. She lamented that the country had been unnecessarily broken and polarized for a long time across ethnic, religious, and political lines, stressing that the group seeks to intentionally close the gap. While advocating oneness in Nigeria, Mrs. Anene pointed out that women are the thread that can potentially sew up the country, citing an example with herself whose children are all Asian. Even though she is Igbo, likewise many other women married elsewhere, different from their ethnic groups.
We are there to support government. We are there to help the government to do what they are doing, because government cannot do everything. Government cannot be everywhere. Governments, as big as their ears are, they don't hear everything. So we are there as partners to the government. We are there to advise government. We are there to help the government. We are there to reach areas that government cannot reach.
The conference, which will feature the presence of the likes of Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala, Obi Ezekwesili, Professor Chidi Odenkalo, and many other speakers from all over the country, will also address issues around the economy, agriculture, and politics. Nkata Inyom is a foundation for Igbo women by birth or marriage, founded 3 years ago as an avenue to discuss the affairs and challenges affecting women with a view to addressing them. Ejike Abana, ABS News.